Hello, good morning everyone. I Ramesh Patel, educator, Gajira International School, Katargam. Today we are going to learn grammar topic, chapter number 9, auxiliary verbs, including models. So in this title there are two things, auxiliary verbs and models. First of all, we will try to understand verbs. So in this chapter you will read about auxiliary verbs including models. Varun has come from work. Mira is playing with her friends now. The dog was sleeping. Do you know the shortest rotation? Does Rita like pastries? The words in blue are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. The primary auxiliary verbs are be, have, and do that you students have learned it in previous chapter. Verbs to be forms, they are am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Have forms, they are have, has, had, shall have, will have. And do forms, they are do, does, did. They are used with the main verb to show tense and ask questions both in their negative and passive forms. And this auxiliary verbs that are also known as helping verbs, they help the verbs in a statement to make the statement meaningful. And one more use of them is that they are used to show tense and ask questions both in negative and passive forms. Passive is the new topic to you, and this is chapter number 15. So after learning all the tenses, we will learn that chapter, so don't worry about it right now. Now first one, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are used with main verbs. I'm reading few examples. Jane is playing the piano. They have bought a new car. Mother does not like driving at night. The verbs is, have, and does are auxiliary verbs, and the underlined verbs and underlined verbs are the main verbs. Is playing, have bought, or does not like. Here you can see underlined verbs playing, bought, like. They are main verbs. They are also known as action verbs. While is, have, and does, they are helping verbs. They support the main verb, action verbs, to make the meaning of the sentence complete. Okay, now be is used with a main verb to form the continuous tense in the passive voice. Be means to be forms. Am, is, are, was, were, shall. She is writing a letter. The work was completed satisfactorily. Here the first work was completed satisfactorily, that is in passive voice. Simple past tense. So is and was both are helping the main verb, writing and completed. Third one, have is used to form the perfect tense. Perfect tenses you might have learned: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect tenses. He has removed into her house. The farmers have plowed the fields. So have and has both are helping verbs, auxiliary verbs, and they are used with the main verbs moved and plowed. They are obviously verb 3. They are also known as past participles. So they are helping the main verb. Do is used to ask questions and form negative statements. Do you travel often? Does she play cricket? I do not wasting time. He does not speak much. So do, does generally we use in simple present tense to form negatives and questions. Last, the verbs be and have can also be used without a main verb. There will be no need to use main verbs or action verbs with this be and have forms. Mita is always punctual. Nita has a younger brother. He is 3 years old. Now here highlighted verbs is and has. They are only and they are stand on their own without the help or support of action verbs or main verbs. Mita is always punctual. Mother has a younger brother. He is 3 years old. Here also the same. Only auxiliary verbs are here. So be and have are the forms can also be used without a main verb. Now exercise. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of be, have and do. One has been done for you. Dear students, before we you need to learn, you need to understand that be forms, have forms and do forms that are already discussed in a previous chapter, verbs. So kindly refer it from there. Now first one, there were 10 apples. There were 10 apple trees in this orchard last year. Done their homework. Done. Question mark is at the end, so obviously it's an interrogative statement. Second thing, after they done is be means past participle, so it might present perfect. So have they done their homework? Have they done their homework? So have will be the answer. Third one, the kittens blank playing in the yard when I came home from school. The kittens were playing in the yard when I came home from school. Here you can see the combination of two tenses. After when you can see past simple past tense, and before when you can there should be past continuous tense. So it is the combination of two tenses, past continuous tense and simple past tense. So kittens were playing in the yard when I came home from school. सो जब मैं घर पे आया तब किटन्स जो बच्चे हैं बिल्ली के वो यार्ड में खेल रहे थे. सो द एक्शन ऑफ प्लेइंग that was the first action, and second action I came home. Fourth, Lara blank a well-mannered girl. Lara is a well-mannered girl. We can't say Lara was a well-mannered girl. Okay, Lara is a well-mannered girl. Where where have all the birds disappeared? This is also interrogative statement, and disappeared is in verb 3 past participle. Disappeared. Sixth, this house has renovated recently. We can write was renovated recently. You might have was in your answer key, but has can not be avoided. Okay, this house was renovated. That can be also possible. Sixth, does he speak French? Does he speak French? In simple present tense we can use does to form question. And the last one, they do not they do not know the answer to the question. This is in negative form. They do not know the answer to the question. Thank you, students. Next video we will see models. Thank you.